here's the shed. So since there's daylight now, I'm going to show you the thing I was talking about last night during sunset. So now you can see that I put the plastic knobs over the ends of the sharp screws. I try to get everywhere I possibly can reach, and everywhere that the screws were in a position that I could place them on, because some were too short and some had meeting points like here where this is too short, and some other places had a screw coming down and one coming out, so I couldn't reach. I put them every possible way, because you never know if you reach with your hand somewhere or you rest your hand, and so you don't get scratched. Oh, and now this is the part I was talking about that we couldn't see at all last night. So this piece and this piece here, these are two pieces. I think it's B2 and B3. I still did not check. I forgot to place them on here the same way. It's doing the same step that I placed these. I think this is B1s. Placing B1s, I believe, to straighten the joints with the nuts and bolts. So it took some effort, but luckily the roof kept everything in place. So once I removed the screws, I could put the plates. Just a little adjustment by pushing up or so to get it back in place. And this just needed a little more effort to push up and to align. And now this actually rests on this piece here. The same way with the other side, the other end. So this rests on that. If you try to put this around and try to connect these screws, it didn't work, because this is too far out on that side. I did try it, it didn't work. So I placed it on the bottom, and it actually has this rest on that, which adds more support. So I was trying to show you that last night, well during sunset. And so far, I know that my doors are attached to the same level on the rollers, the skids. It's just that I think the door handle is actually a little higher on the right door than the left door. So when I close it, oh, this is the inside. I have some pavers holding on the lips of the shed just to anchor it. I'm gonna also put pallets on the lips and put weights like the dirt and on the pallets, just to add some type of wind reinforcement. I know I could put stakes and do all sorts of things, but that's, to me, this is the most practical. And hopefully I can start loading up the things from my garage into here and make more room in my garage. So far, this is now the outside. Blue roof. Still, I'm gonna do some maintenance and upkeep and reinforcements as time goes. So this is it from here. And then on this side. Thank you for watching.